because they are like our team members, right? So here we don't have much time to use the AI tools. Sometimes the approach will not be there. Sometimes even there we will not use it because of our work load actually. But if they know the importance and how we can optimize the time, it then we can explain to team members, and they'll be happy. What I like, what and all they promise at the give at the first, right? They'll keep the same promise till the end of the course. This is very very nice to me. For some people, what they do, they'll say something. So they end up start of the course, they'll take the money or something from us. They'll do something else. But here there is nothing like that. What and all you promise from the first, it will be still hold same promise will be there at the end. Plus, you'll get some extra things from them actually.
Okay. Hi, Sachin. So I would like you to
Hi.
start this interview by, introducing yourself.
Yeah, sure, Gargi. So from my side, I'm Sachin Kalayan Shetty. I have totally 12 years of experience into software testing, means software, IT software. Okay. So it's been I'm into testing domain. I'm a test lead in the Herman International. Okay, so I
Okay.
started my journey with the around 10 years ago for the Sigma Software Solutions, a service-based company. From
Mm-hmm.
there, I worked for the client Aris. So Aris, like we need to support for the web applications for the test automation plus manual testing both. Okay, from there I start my journey, testing journey. From there, I jumped to the LG Soft India in Bangalore itself. So
Okay.
there I worked for around 5 years.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, in LG I was completely taking care of testing activity in the mobile handsets and with some web-OS TVs. Plus, I was into infotainment systems testing in the LG.
Okay.
From the that experience, I got into the Harman. Okay, currently in Harman. Harman, we are responsible for infotainment automation testing. Okay, I'm a test lead here. So my overall responsibility, technically, I need to guide the team members.
Mm-hmm.
Along with that, I need to give them latest technology things to the team. Then I
Okay.
need to handle the delivery of testing, complete end-to-end testing in the my team. Okay, so yeah, this is my overall journey. Yeah,
That's great to know. So overall, in all your professional experience, you have been a part of the testing domain itself, and it just
correct.
varied a little, but you are in the testing, and that's great to know. A lot of people do like to stick to
Yes,
their domain with the journey as it goes forward. Now, that's great.
yes,
Could you
yes,
just
yes.
tell me some specific challenges or roadblocks that you have faced in this, whole route of your professional journey? Like what was that click point for you that hey, now I have been in a testing domain for so long. I want to learn more. What was that roadblock or pain point that you faced because of which you landed up taking up the B10X course? You can also shine some light on
Correct.
the fact that why B10X also, because there are how did you come up across B10X? Did someone refer you, or how did you think that this is the right program for you? You can talk about that.
Correct. Yeah,
Yeah.
correct. So in my testing domain, right, so we always occupied with the work. So what kind of things we are getting from the customer, those we have to process, means we have to write some test cases, develop test cases, and do testing on the system and deliver to client. So we
Okay.
don't had much time to learn outside of work what we are doing because the
Hmm.
market is different, what we are working is different. So we should be aligned with the market. So I
Hmm.
was looking for best course in the market so that I should be my learning should be with respect as per the market with respect to AI. Right now, all companies they look for the AI professionals. I know
Right.
the core domain is testing and infotainment, but still we have to know the knowledge of AI. When I
Hmm.
joined, so before I was searching for good courses online, so suddenly I got the Aditya's advertisement on there. I think so in social media I got it. So I
Okay.
impressed by his speech actually.
Hmm.
So he said me from the scratch we can learn the AI, right? So
Hmm.
that made me like interest actually in that. I enrolled for the first demo course in that he explained all the things. So I was looking for Python because I was into testing, but still you have to do some automation activity where I
Huh?
need to use some AI tools. Okay, so what I did, I joined that first demo course. Then I impressed by the demo course. So it covering all the aspects what I'm looking.
Mhm.
So because I was not knowing anything in the AI, I was like completely blind in the AI before just 3 4 months ago. Okay,
Okay.
so what is AI? What
Hmm.
nothing I was knowing because I was completely to my domain. I never used to see other things. Okay, but when I
Hmm.
joined here, I learned something, most of things actually. How to
Okay.
use AI. What is AI?
Hmm.
Now I can tell anyone what is the AI, what is the tools we can use, how we can optimize our work basically.
Okay.
Yeah.
So you also got a new offer after the program.
Yes, 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 yes. I
Oh,
got an offer in the this one.
great.
I joined KPIT. KPIT to I jumped to Herman Bank. Yeah, back to
Okay.
Herman. Herman International. I was into my domain with the AI test lead. Basically, they call me AI test lead now. So I need
Okay,
to
so that's nice.
educate the team. Yes, educate the team, and I need to implement some strategies using AI actually. So now job I in my own domain plus AI intelligence. Both I have to make it now. This is
Okay.
very what I'm expecting. This I got now in this month, last November month. I got 31st, 25th I joined actually.
Okay, okay.
Yeah.
It's actually great to
Yeah.
know one thing in here that you were so motivated in yourself that you wanted to learn about AI that the moment you started searching for the right program, it just fit with you, right? Yeah, that's good
Yes.
to
Yes.
know.
Yes.
Because and also it's very important
Actually.
that people do realize and utilize the importance of AI in the upcoming any job profile or domain, how important it would be. And I think that you have perfectly combined both of them together now in your work life balance, I
Yes.
guess. You are also in the testing team, like you are leading a whole testing team and all. So I think since
Testing team.
you are benefited with all the things now that you know, it's also easier for you to lead the whole team. Is that something that you also do in your day to day work life?
Yes, in that way, yeah. Because the team member side they don't know about AI because they are like our team member side. So here
Hmm.
we don't have much time to use the AI tools. Sometimes the approach will not be there. Sometimes even there we will not use it because of our work load actually. But if they know the importance and how we can optimize the time, then we can explain to team members, and they'll be happy. So in that way, I'm guiding the team. You here don't know about this. See, now world is going to AI, but some teams but they don't know what is AI. Even though they are software engineers, testing and development engineers, still the support engineers, they don't know what is AI. Just they are doing their work. But if
Yes.
you explain them, they'll be very like this is there in AI, like that they'll ask sometime. So in that way, education I'm doing by learning this course. So I'm recommending better. I'll say everywhere I'll say go and join better next right. The one thing what I like what and all they promise at the give at the first right, they'll keep the same promise till the end of the course. This is
Mm-hmm.
very very nice to me. For some people, what they do, they'll say something. So they end of start of the course, they'll take the money or something from us. They'll do something else. But here there is no nothing like that. What and all you promise from the first, it will be still hold same promise will be there at the end. Plus, you'll get some extra things from them. Actually, in that way, this one I like the genuine, the very genuine course. I'm lucky to find this course and done this one. I'm very happy actually for me. So this one. Yeah.
Okay, I'm actually glad that you mentioned that because it's when a course is scheduled, a lot of people over time they tend to lose interest. But when you mentioned this, that the thing was delivered properly, that also means that we were able to deliver everything that your goal aligned with, and we are very happy that it actually aligned with whatever your specific goals and needs were. That's actually good. You were already working when you
Yes.
were with the program. So how did you manage your time? Did you invest any amount of time doing personal projects on that, or how did you after you let's say you learned a session today on a Saturday, and how did you go about with that?
Mhm.
How did you learn something
Yeah,
out of
that
it?
one right. So whenever if I learn, yeah, what we can say, see, first of all, how what and all AI tools are available. So what and
Hmm.
all AI tools we can use as per our project. Because see, what and all we learn, we have to take it to what and all useful for our project, right? Like cloud for automation plus script development, like is a cloud. Okay. In that
Hmm.
way, Google, we have Colab in the Google. Colab we can use for Python learning because in automotive domain you must know the Python. Python is the best thing for all the engineers. Yeah. Okay. So in that way, whatever things to learn, I need to inform to my team members. Okay,
Hmm.
like we have a knowledge sharing session in the office. So as a lead, I may have to share the knowledge, but I need to get the information from the team. I need to make arrangement of sessions also because I'm lead, right? So everything
Hmm.
they'll put on team training, team guidance. So in that way, I used to get all the things from BTNX. I used to pass it to all team members. Okay, and it added me so many well because they're thinking like I know everything, but I started just 2 months ago. Okay, in that way, it's
Yeah.
benefited me a lot. Yeah.
Okay, okay. So what is your mentorship strategy that goes behind while you pitch this to someone else? How do you say that? Just some motivational thing that you would want the future audience to know about.
Yeah. they should know about what they are paying for the course. Will get more than that, what our expectation. Okay, if they say ABC, they'll give up to Z. BTECs will give you up to Z. Okay, what all promised will come back to you, but you must have your dedicated time plus interest in that. Simply don't do it. If you're interested, go ahead. They are very genuine people. Not, no cheating, no bluffing. It's very, very good actually. But you have to interest, keep some time for that. Okay, I really recommend for all the people, one all, because in India, right, it's really required AI knowledge, right? Because it will give you everything basically. Not only IT field. If you go non-IT, also they are also using AI now. So
Hmm.
because of BTEX, even I see that course, right? Some are non-IT background. They don't know. They're into not into coding or testing. They're into like complete different, maybe marketing. Some of the like different jobs. They are also joining. They're using. So everyone should know basically, just to save the time, make it optimization. And the company, what they need, they have to do in a less cost basically.
Yeah.
Only thing I recommend this course, genuine course, very genuine. Go for it. Do yours. Put your efforts and learn and go anywhere you want. It's very good. Yeah, what I observed and what I experienced basically.
That's good to know. I really, enjoyed whatever you said here. So yes, thank you, Sachin.
Yes.
We are really glad that
Yeah.
you are with us in this platform today, and also being a part of the future community of B10X. So thank you so much for
Yes.
giving your, truthful words towards this.